Good morning, students. Welcome back to our virtual library class. With the advent of Shravan, Onam or Tiruonam, usually held in August and September for 10 days, originated in Kerala, is celebrated to remember the golden rule of King Mahabali, a mythical king who ruled over Kerala. A long time ago, an Asura king called Mahabali ruled Kerala. He was a wise, benevolent, and judicious ruler and beloved of his subject. Soon his fame as an able king began to spread far and wide, but when he extended his rule to the heavens and the netherworld, the gods felt challenged and began to fear his growing powers. Presuming that he might become overpowerful, Aditi, the mother of Devas, pleaded with Lord Vishnu to curtail Mahabali's powers. Vishnu transformed himself into a dwarf called Vamana and approached Mahabali while he was performing a yajna and asked for alms. Pleased with the dwarf Brahmin's wisdom, Mahabali granted him a wish. The emperor's preceptor Shukracharya warned him against making the gift, for he realized that the seeker was no ordinary person. But the emperor's kingly ego was boosted to think that God had asked him for a favor. So he firmly declared that there is no greater sin than going back on one's promise. Mahabali kept his word. Vamana requested Mahabali to give him that much space as could be measured by his 3 footsteps as his arms. As the legend goes, since Mahabali kept his word, no sooner than the 3 steps were granted, the young Vamana assumed a gigantic form known as Trivikrama, and with the first step of his foot measured the whole earth. Then with the second step of his foot he measured the whole sky. These 2 steps covered the whole of Mahabali's kingdom, the earth and the sky. Vamana then asked the king as to where he should place his 3rd step. King Mahabali then joyfully offered his head for the 3rd step in utter devotion and surrender. Vishnu's fatal 3rd step pushed Mahabali to the netherworld. But before banishing him to the underworld, Vishnu granted him a boon. Since he was attached to his kingdom and his people, he was allowed to return once a year from an exile. Onam is the celebration that marks the homecoming of King Mahabali. It is the day when a grateful Kerala pays a glorious tribute to the memory of his bening king who gave his all for his subjects. The legend thus holds that, being jealous of King Mahabali's popularity and his power, the gods conspired to end his reign. They sent Lord Vishnu to earth in the form of a dwarf Brahmin who trampled Mahabali to the netherworld. But Lord Vishnu granted the king's sole wish to visit his land and people once every year, and this day marks the celebration of Onam. I hope you all enjoyed this story. Thank you and have a wonderful day, all of you. Goodbye.